Making sure that your website is secure is pretty important. Today I'm going to show you how to back your website up on a device or even a cloud service. So without further ado, follow along and let's get into it. So let's begin backing up our HostGator website. We're going to go down and we're going to look for hosting on the left hand side over here. And once we're in hosting, we will see a quick link on the bottom right, which will allow us to access our cPanel. Now, once we've accessed our cPanel, this is what it will look like. And if we scroll down slightly, we'll see files. And within here, you will see backup. Now, once we're in backup, we have a few options. You can do a full account backup. That means literally everything on your HostGator account will be backed up. You also have partial backup, so you can download just your home directory, database, email forwards, and some email filters depending on what it is that you'd like. Essentially, from here, whatever you choose, the steps are the same. So what you'll do is you'll click on whichever option you decide you would like, and then you have a backup destination. Here you can choose from whichever works best for you, and then you'll add an email address which will allow you to receive a notification of your backup completion, which is optional, or you will be able to access your backup from this email over here. So once you are done, you're going to just go and click on generate backup, and you will be able to back up your entire website quickly and relatively easy.